Tesla Model has run 84,000 kilometers and has never been cleaned. The 3 water tanks broke just after passing the insulation door. It is reported that the temperature control system is faulty, and there is no cold air in the space. The Dream Space assembly can be repaired without heat exchange. Remove the compressor, remove the heat pump, and after removing the heat pump, first use a cleaning machine to flush out the air conditioning pipeline, and then use an air conditioning rendering cleaning machine to thoroughly clean the entire air conditioning pipeline because there are a lot of impurities in it. Disassemble the heat pump. Got it. Ultrasonic cleaning of impurities in heat pump hotels. Restore the hot Dream system. Take apart the compression one, take apart the nesting screw, and the Tokyo nesting screw has been wiped out. It has to be replaced. Replace the new nesting screw and restore the compression one end cap. Put the rimming back together and install the compressor. Model Y's popular model requires adding 4 bottles of refrigerant after installation to turn on the air conditioner, and the air is cold again. Tesla's popular model has been repaired and saved the car a lot of money. Audience friends will help you understand electric cars better.